Hey everybody, Trevor Niesel here with Next Home Treasure Valley. Hope you're doing well. I am at the future site of the Boise Bike Park. Wanted to give you a quick look at the latest and an update. It's not open yet. I had heard it would be open this month, but these guys are doing a lot of work here. I'm trying to respect their signs that say keep out of the fenced area, but I want to give you a quick look here. There's a couple different pump tracks back there, huge kickers. The company doing this is Alpine Bike Parks out of British Columbia, Canada, and it's very apparent to me, although a lot of the news has mentioned you know, a place for kids to come hone their skills and stuff like that. But if you look at these jumps that are behind me, it is apparent that the city is working to expand their relationship with the X Games and possibly host some events in the future. They could do quite a bit with what they have here. Anyway, just wanted to give you a quick look at that, quick update. They're hoping to get it wrapped up in time so that it can be enjoyed before the weather turns this year. But feel free to reach out to me with any questions you have, and I'll do my best to get them answered. And as always, if you have anybody or if you yourself are interested in considering either selling a house or buying a home, let me know. I'll be happy and honored to help you out any way that I can. Thanks.